Oh, here's a little Volkswagen Jetta that's not starting. It was low on gas, and so they put some gas in it. Apparently, tighten that thing because it's not. It's got some freaking gnarly rear end damage, but it didn't affect, you know, the drivability of it. But anyway, it sat in the cold for a long time, and now it's not starting. And she's trying to sell it. So I'm going to try to see why it's not starting and what we can do here. Automatic. Looks like it's a 2002. Got 118,000 on it, so I just have to do it, I guess. So we'll turn the key forward and see if I can hear the fuel pump. Yep, fuel pump cycled. Ooh. Not really like pumpage is going to do it any good. Fuel injected and whatnot. That little squeaking noise that it does, I think is a starter. I've heard these things do that before, but it's right after I let off the key, it goes rrr. One other thing I'm going to do is try to cycle the fuel pump a couple times in case something happened. It really did run out. Now the fuel pump's not cycling anymore. So that's me holding the pedal down a little bit right when it started to give it some gas, and then it just turns around and dies again. Fuel pump cycling again. It seems to die right when it makes that little whoop noise outside. See if you can hear it better out here. Yeah, it goes rrr and dies. And I really hope that rrr noise isn't something like a broken timing belt or anything freaky like that, because I bet you these are interference engines. Let's see if we can figure out anything interesting under here. Oh, you monkey. Need two hands. Pull that and lift at the same time. There we go. So that little belt's good, and of course your timing belt's going to be back behind this timing belt cover. So you can't really see anything. It does have fuel in it. About $10 worth at least. Oh. Yeah, that really does sound like it's over there on that side where the camera's pointed, doesn't it? Dang, dude. Just makes me wonder if it's a timing belt issue. Hope not. Let me know what y'all think. Thanks.